Now here's a video on how to fix a sagging floor or support your floor for a piano or a safe or something heavy. Or this is how I done it anyway. So just stay tuned, and I hope you enjoy and I hope this helps somebody. So here you go. This is lady. She's a little shy. No, she ain't shy. She's just jubbing. Alright. I've got a little sag in my floor at my house, and so something I've been kind of putting off, and that's Lady, by the way. She's a little doll. And but anyway, I've been putting this off fixing it, but I've got to fix it. So I thought I'd take y'all along with me and show you how I did it, and it's not very hard. It's just pain in the butt getting down there and doing it. So let me show you how I fix it. Lady, she's gonna help me today. She's my helper. And so first of all, I took 2 8-foot 2x6s, and I have screwed them together to where they're 2-ply, and I used treated. So, and then I've got 2 concrete pillars that I'm gonna put on the ground. I could have used the square blocks, but I chose not to. Well, hi, lady. And but I chose not to because these have a wider pillar, and I just think they'll do better. And I also bought these house jacks. And they come with pins, and they just they're like just big screws. I could have made some, but these was really pretty cheap on Amazon. I mean, for the I can't remember exactly what I bought for them, but I paid for them, but they wasn't much. But anyway, I got them off Amazon. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these under the house on the ground, try to get them level, and put it just like this. Put the 2x6s straight up and down on top, okay? And then, like I say, jack it up, jack my floor up to where I'm just gonna make it where it don't settle no more. So you really got to be careful when you're jacking up a house, because if you start cranking up on it, you could break a floor joist, you could crack your sheetrock. So basically, I'm just trying to keep it from sagging anymore, and just make sure everything down there is tight. And I haven't been down there yet to see exactly what all the problems is, but anyway, we'll go down there together and see what happens. Alright, do it a little bit, one more time. Is that about right? Is that it? Alright, do it one more time. Alright, do the side towards the window. One more time. Alright, hold up. Thank you, babe. What I'm doing is I'm finding out. So I need to do my support. I had my daughter tap up at the top to find out where I need my support at. So, which I knew up there where I was having a sagging issue, and And so I just had her, I told her where to tap, so when I get down here I know where it is. I don't know if you can tell. These are sagging. This one's one that's sagging, and this one was the one that's sagging. And what I'm trying to do is bring it up. Scared to, I got it pretty darn tight. That is all I'm going to do. And it'll settle a little bit, but I'm scared to death to do it anymore. I've got this, and I don't think it'll be sagging no more. Here's the finished product. So that's what I done. That's tight. You just gotta be really careful not to jack it up, or it's gonna start cracking, busting your sheetrock and stuff. I mean, that could really cause you some problems. So, but I just couldn't handle it sagging. I could tell it was starting to sag worse and worse. So anyway, that's it. Hopefully it's fixed, and I won't have to fool with it again. So. Well, that's it, everybody. I appreciate you watching the video, and I hope this helps somebody. And that's how I fixed a sagging floor. So if there's any problems, I'll let you know in a future video. But hopefully, I pray that it's fixed, my little sagging floor problem. So, and it didn't take me very long to fix it. I've been fooling with this for about an hour after I got everything. So anyway, that's it. I'll see you in my next video, my next adventure, and God bless you. River Jumper out. What's your girl? What's your baby girl? Yeah, she's just a birdie, baby.